Welcome! Today in front of me Doogee S40 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google application and right there on the right upper corner tap to this icon. Now just go to settings and here you will see the voice. Tap on that and right there you will see the voice match. Tap here and near the Hey Google tap on the switcher to turn on the Hey Google on your phone. Now just say Hey Google and tap to next. Now just agree with the permissions, tap to continue, and as can you see, your Hey Google option is activated now. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.